I understood that sometimes scale is another trap. Because the bigger the machine becomes, the more fuel it demands. More employees, more expenses, more obligations, more management, visibility, people expecting something from you, more pressure to continue growing because stopping suddenly feels like failure, of course. And I realized that this was not what I wanted. I said in previous video, I didn't want to become a Boeing 747. I want to remain closer to a drone maybe. Light, fast, able to change direction, to land somewhere unexpected, able to survive on less fuel. That completely changed my relationship with money. I still want abundance, of course. Having more energy than you need to survive, of course. I want access, I want quality, I want the ability to travel, good food, not just delicious, good and healthy food, beautiful places, enough capital that I'm not making decisions from fear. But I don't need to become enormous in order to prove that my life worked.